Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a data scientist looking for an exciting opportunity in the e-commerce space, or a fresher who is excited to join such a role where you'll get hands-on experience working with the data and taking decisions? So in today's video, we'll break down the Myntra's latest job openings, including the skills required, salary expectations, and how you can apply. So stay tuned till the end for some expert tips to stand out from the other applicants. So let's understand a little bit about the company and its data science team. So basically, Myntra is one of the India's leading e-commerce platform, specializing in fashion lifestyle. So the data science team plays a crucial role in optimizing customer experience, pricing, recommendations, and supply chain. So their AI model can handle billions of requests per second with sub-second latency. So the roles and responsibilities, let's break down over here. So as you can see on your screen, they have mentioned the roles and responsibilities for this particular role. So it will be something around like building AI ML models for Myntra's storefront, supply chain, and customer experience, handling real time offline and online data solutions, and also being expertise in NLP, which is natural language processing, and computer vision and optimization, along with the predicative analysis, which is the very important part of a data science career. So, and also you'll be involved into deploying AI models and integrating them with Myntra system. So you have to rotate around both machine learning and statistics, and are taking decisions, connecting with stakeholders. So this is all going to be a kind of roles and responsibilities. You have to be, very much well versed with the data science concepts. You'll be working entire day on the data, ML concepts, etc. So let's understand a little bit about the qualifications and the degrees are required for this particular role. So as you can see, there have mentioned the qualification and experience required for this role. So you must be very good, a strong foundation in machine learning and data structure, algorithm, Python, of course. And they are preferring you to have master degree. If you have master degree, that is well and good. Master or PhD degree, but bachelor degree is also allowed. It's just a preferred degree, so it's okay to move if you are having a bachelor degree also. So, and also if you have experience with generative AI, DevOps, etc., so you will be preferred over the other candidates. The salary of this particular role is going to be something around 12 to 20 lakh. And apply link I will be sharing description. Do check it out as soon as possible. And the pro tips you can take from here is that you can just pick up some key points from this particular JD and add it in your resume. And yeah, be good with the foundation, foundational concepts like the computer science fundamentals, machine learning concepts, all algorithms, random forest, linear regression, logistic regression, and also a little bit high level with the NLPs and kind of deep learning libraries as well, because these questions are going to be very important for this particular role. And that's it. This is a golden opportunity for data science professionals to work with one of the biggest fashion e-commerce platform. So if you're interested, apply as soon as possible because this type of roles fill up fast. Also, if you need any help with resume tips or interview tips or anything, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for daily job updates. Also, we bring daily 3 plus job updates. So do subscribe to our channel for staying ahead in your career. Yeah, that's it from my end for today. See you in the next video.